Stop. What if I told you your prayer might not be valid because of one small mistake in your wudu? Most Muslims rush this step, but the Prophet showed us the correct way. Let's fix it right now. But before we begin, if you love Prophet Muhammad, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and say Alhamdulillah in the comment section. Before a Muslim stands in prayer, before touching the Quran, there is purification. This purification is called Wudu, ablution. The Prophet taught us that cleanliness is part of faith. And through Wudu we prepare not just our bodies, but our hearts. Let us learn it step by step. Step 1. Make the intention, Niyyah. Begin with the intention in your heart. You do not need to say it aloud. Simply intend, I am performing wudu for the sake of Allah. Then say, Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Step 2. Wash the hands 3 times. Wash both hands up to the wrists. Start with the right hand, then the left. Make sure water reaches between the fingers. Step 3. Rinse the mouth 3 times. Take water into your right hand. Rinse your mouth thoroughly. Spit it out gently. Repeat 3 times. Step 4. Rinse the nose 3 times. Take water gently into the nose. Then blow it out using the left hand. Repeat 3 times. Step 5. Wash the face 3 times. Wash the entire face, from the hairline to the chin, and from ear to ear. Make sure no part is left dry. Step 6. Wash the arms 3 times. Wash the right arm first, from fingertips to above the elbow. Then wash the left arm. Repeat each 3 times. Step 7. Wipe the head once. Wet your hands. Pass them over your head from front to back, then back to the front. This is done once. Step 8. Wipe the ears once. Using the same wet hands. Wipe inside the ears with your index fingers, and behind the ears with your thumbs. Step 9. Wash the feet 3 times. Wash the right foot first, up to and including the ankles. Make sure water goes between the toes. Then wash the left foot. Repeat 3 times. Crescent moon final supplication. After completing wudu, say,
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمد رسول الله.
I bear witness that there is no God but Allah alone, without partner, and that Muhammad is his servant and messenger. The Prophet said that whoever says this after wudu, the gates of paradise will be opened for him. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos.